Is it running? I can't see anything. I can't tell. My screen is black. Ah, there it is. Hello everybody, welcome back to the stream. Today is day 22. I'm trying to help everybody fix their computer issues or problems that they might have. I can't believe it's already day 22. To everybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you're a regular user, welcome back. As you all know, the main purpose of the stream is to help anybody that has any computer issues or problems. And I'll try to help you out, fix it, find an alternative solution, or else just try to recreate the issue on my own computer. But again, welcome everybody. Everybody's support has been extremely helpful. More helpful than I was thinking that it was gonna be. Extremely. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. So yes, it's extremely helpful for me. I'm really happy for that. Oh yeah, I'm eating a little snack. Did we put our poll? Oh yes, we did. Oh, that's right. I was gonna continue the promos that I was doing yesterday. Let's open that up. Let's start it up. The stream today, I'm just gonna stream for a few hours, not very long. I do need to catch on some sleep. I can see that the overlay is working again. So happy it is. I see it from here. I see everything. I'm so happy for that. Okay, this is running. Let's begin. I actually want to go back to my promos. See if I can fix that little issue. Let's just turn this on. And yeah, turn that on as well. It's just start, man. You're not gonna break because of a little force shutdown. Oh wait, I forgot to get a drink. I'll be right back, guys. It'll take a start break. I'll be right back. Give me like 3 minutes. Oh.
Okay guys, I am back. Okay. I am back. It's a cold day today. I can see that YouTube changed, what the? Did I just lose stream? Okay, no, we're back. That was a little odd. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, to anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you have any computer issues or problems, just ask away. Me, I am just fixing my own problems. I might be able to help you out. Find a solution for your issue, or find an alternative one. If not, I'll try to recreate it. Oh, that's right. That wasn't working. I'm gonna try to do that the other time. Okay. This is not working for me now. Full screen. Why aren't you not working? Try. I stopped doing this and I started doing something else. I can't remember exactly where I left off. Oh, that's right. I think I connected it another adapter. Okay then. And in that case, okay, then I need to change something from here. Hardware. Oh, that's right. This was not gonna work. Actually, no. We need to remove that. Yeah. Go back. Yeah. Save to remove. Now let's release that. Oh, hello, Rhino. How's it going? Okay, release. Reno. Great, says downloads on DVD to Jellyfin. Ah, you're into the Jellyfin server, the open source. It's a great media server. I'm not gonna lie, man. Oh, how are you bringing the CDs? Are you using Make MKB? I think it is. That's usually the one that I would use. Oh, it turns in. Yes, yes, Make MKB is it's the best thing. Handbrake. I only use it if I want to like downgrade the quality. That's basically it. I try to set it up with a Pi Zero, but it didn't have enough power to actually keep the video stable. I had 4K videos and I lowered them all the way to 4080p on a Pi Zero, which only has, I think it's an ARM, only has one core, but it wasn't stable, man. I had to get a better one. I use Handbrake to put into MP4 format so the file isn't so big. Oh, okay. Sometimes I would use it for that, but the last time that I used it for, It was just to lower the quality. So I can see, I was trying to do the little experiment of if it actually could, if it could run the Jellyfin server installed with a Pi Zero, but it was too much power. Oh no, the way the Jellyfin does it, it's the best thing. It's not gonna. It does like a little upscale, I think. I don't remember. I haven't really used it in a while. I haven't updated my movies. I need to add more movies. I need to buy some DVDs and just burn them. I use Super HQ. I don't know that app. Super HQ 1080p 30 surround sound. What is that? Super HQ. That's a preset. Oh, okay. Oh no, I would just use like custom ones. I would just mess around with the settings to see until I find one that's actually good. I would sometimes mess up the movie so many times. It's a handbrake setting for quality. Okay. Yeah, there is a lot of them. The only thing that it says, if you get like really into the handbrake, it's just a lot of time. It's time consuming, because when I did the first custom, I wanted to do. I think the format that I recommended, I think it was MP4 or MKB for some movies that I had. I was trying to make them in lower quality, but I didn't notice that some of them were failing. I didn't check the logs, and that was actually, it was 130 movies, and only 60 of them went to the format that I wanted. Did it look good? Actually, it didn't look that bad. It still looked good. I had some really old TV shows that aren't on 1080 or 4K. They're in 480, so that really didn't bother me. I just had to change some settings, but I just don't remember much. All I know is that sometimes I would just break everything, and everything just sounded funny. Oh, that obviously this is not working. Why won't you stop? MKB is very big. I had to put them in preferences, let my GPU and CPU handle it, and bringing back up. Oh, okay. Other viewers in my stream mentioned that what's the other one? FFmpg, I think it's called. Supposedly it's better for encoding compared to Handbrake. It's more terminal based. Handbrake is just user friendly with a GUI. Okay, why is this not working for me now? What did I forget? What did I do? Take that off. Yes. Hold up a second. Why are you failing? Virtual machine beamers are not allowed. Oh. Got an Intel Arc A380 and a mini foreign BB7954 CPU. Wait, Intel Arc. Wait, is that the GPU? I haven't actually tried a Intel GPU. How are they? Be honest. Yeah, this is my first home server, so definitely doing the user friendly. Oh no, man, trust me. Like you went the good way. You're using Jellyfin. Don't, for the hell of it, do not use Flex. Don't use Flex. But tell me, the Intel GPU, because I was thinking of buying one of those. How is it? I only had AMD, Nvidia, and then I recently saw that Intel's now making GPUs. Like, is it worth it? Because the last one that I saw on Newegg was around $200. Hey, Mr. Tasteful, how's it going, man? I'm KB. I actually did not know that. My first Intel GPU. I do not make PC build for gaming, but I usually run. No, sir. We need to keep this PG, man. PG, at least some parts. My first Intel GPU. I do make PC builds for gaming, but I usually run AMD and Nvidia. Oh, okay, but is it actually good? No, I just wanted to try it for the hell of it. Like, I have my eye on this sucker. The GPU seems to do what it needs for multi-stream going. Oh. Because this is the one that I have my eye on. is this messing up with me? You can get away with lower compression. Okay, Rhino. I'll keep that in mind. Okay, there. Now we have service again. Full screen. Can we actually get into the VLAN thing? Oh, we can't access the VLAN. Sweet. PC gamer good and making those bad, but learning this home server. Hey man, don't get me wrong, learning to do home servers is the best thing. How do you go about doing that? Okay, well, what do you want to set up? Do you want to set, you already have a Jellyfin, so it's a media server. Do you want to set up a NAS? A hypervisor, which is basically this, what I have here running. This is a hypervisor. Oh yeah, I'll just open it from here. I can actually do that. Hypervisor is like a little bit more advanced, but it does everything. Unless if you want to make a NAS to have a storage, like a shared storage. That also works. Really depends on what you want. Okay, I need to do a pen test for this. I need to check something. I'm gonna leave that run for a second. it's really convenient and tasteful. I don't remember all the. I'm gonna install TrueNAS. Hey City, how's it going, man? All good? Man, I'm alright. I'm sleepy as hell, but I wanted to stream for a little bit. Man, I always use subtitles because sometimes I feel that I cannot understand what the actor is saying. Maybe it's just me, but I always need them. Maybe it's just me, guys. Copy link address. I want to download that ISO. Upload, add. Query. My current home server is set up with Promax as my OS, TrueNAS, and Ubuntu as a VM. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice setup. I'm guessing you're running that on a bare metal system, on a physical PC, because I am running this all as a virtual machine. So basically, I have a machine here running on a virtual machine inside of a virtual machine, to put it in a different perspective. Oh, I did make videos for the hotel scale. See, here's the promise where it's running from. You have bare metal? Mine is literally a virtual machine. I still haven't set up my bare metal one. I do have it set up, I just don't remember some parts that I need to change. Amps. What's amps? For your gaming host. Amps. What is amps? Game server control panel support. Oh, it's a manage. Oh, I see now. Okay, got it. Well, actually, you have a TrueNAS. You can also set up this if you want. It's really simple. It's called Casa OS. It's a very simple open source like cloud. One click installed. Use the cube coders? What do you mean? Live demo. Casa OS. This is literally a live demo that they put up. Cube coders. I don't think I heard of that. This is the macOS example. You can run anything that you want here. You don't? Okay, hey Andre, but how's it going? In that case, man, yes. Just what comes into your head, like the most common issue. What, this? macOS? That's the real amp? I love it, man. I set it up for a Raspberry Pi 4, and I ran everything from there. Oh, you pick a random one? Okay. Cube coders? Website? Wait. Cube coders website. Oh, this. Oh, okay. But wait a second. Why don't you just do it self-hosted yourself? Let's just open a port. Strawberry Pie, faithful. That's as good as it gets. Like right now, why don't you just open a port, man? Instead of just, you gotta pay for this? By amp. A one-time payment. Oh, it's a one-time payment. Professional edition. 15 aluminum panel. Okay, actually that's not bad. Oh, okay, so because of security. Got it, got it. Okay, honestly, I thought this would be more expensive. Get the $40 one. 50 app instances, in-game analysis, geo-filtering, custom branding. Holy crap. Supported games. See the complete list. Oh, they even got Factorio. Oh my god, that game is awesome. Rush. Dude, I swear, man, you need a feet simulator. You need a feet simulator. Huh. Okay. Oh, I do love World of War for zombies. Cool. Let's go into Terdak. I never heard of those ones. Open source game server management. Oh, this one's open source. Maybe I could set this up if it's open source. Picking a server OS, Ubuntu, Debian. Debian dependencies. You know what? I'm gonna set this up. I'm actually gonna set this up, but I don't have a game right now. I'm gonna set it up and I wanna see what else I can do with it. Can't be that hard. But I'll need to set it up as a virtual machine. Let's actually, I want to set it up. Force off. We can do Debian. Let's do Debian. It's on your server run through the system, I would say. Let's go with 7 gigs. Oh yeah, that's enough. Game server. Yeah, leave it on no. Yeah, leave it on that network for now. Okay, fine. I'll download it then. What are you implying? Tasteful for him to do it himself? Holy crap! Yep, you have a lot of things set up already right now. This is done. I'm gonna set that up later. I do wanna set that up. Okay, yeah, I wanna download Debian. I'm gonna download Debian. Mm. Oh, okay, man. We're all we all have our opinions and preference. I understand. That might take you a while to set that up again if you're going to do it again from scratch. Browse. Give me the download. I really want to set that game server. I just want to see how it looks like. Where the hell is it? Ah, here it is. This one's online. I don't care. Just it's Debian. There. Did it fast for you. Give you 12. Give you 6 cores. 20. You don't need that much. Game server. Yeah, customize. Give us the Windows net. I want UEFI. Apply. And we're done. That's it. Yeah, we want that. Every time I see someone play a AAA, it all looks like Witcher. Somebody walking around the hill. Have a better understanding of Linux networking will definitely help simplify everything. In a lot of ways, yes, right. No? It just takes time, man. It really depends on what you want to do. You can make it simple, you can make it complicated, but if you make it complicated, you misfigure something, and you don't document, then it's gonna take a long time. I'm like, oh crap, what did I do wrong? So every game to you looks like The Witcher. Well, there is one that I would say, Dead Stranding. You get a man walking to deliver packages, risking his life. Hey man, still, Witcher's a great game. But honestly, my opinion about games is I'm more in it due to the stories. Not in it because of how good it looks. Um, I just want to play the story. That's me. That's all that I want to play. The reason I got into doing home server was to have my own home media. Yeah, doing it like that is convenient, man. Like, try. I would just keep everything open source, so I don't have to be paying much for it. Andre says, should I use VMware on my PC or use my OptiPlus 9020 PC as my OS testing machine? Um, you could use the OptiPlus, and you can set up the hypervisor of VMware. It's free. They set up a free edition, and you can just turn it into a hypervisor and just connect to it remotely under GUI, Andre. That's true, man. Because it's not because since the interface has a Cloudflare has a lot of things, then yeah, it could be confusing. Like you just want to find one specific thing and that's it. And yes, Andre, that's the one that I mean. VMware Assets. You can literally just find it. They made it free. Like this is their site. I can just go here. Oops, I can show you the site where you can actually get it. This is literally the site. You go to my downloads here. You'll see literally this free software downloads available here. And it's this one right here. It only works in bare metal. I tried and tried to install this on a virtual machine, and you can install on a virtual machine, but you will need to use VMware Workstation Pro. And Pro they made it free, and I find that unfair because Pro used to cost like $1,000. A friend of mine bought it, and then I told him, dude, it's free. What do you mean it's free? I pay $1,000. Like, yeah, they made it recently free. Like, see, here it is. You can just download it. It's basically free. There's really not much difference from the paid version, which is more enterprise. It's just some features that you're not gonna use because it's mostly for business. But the free edition is more like the same thing as the business. It's just a few issues. I mean, a few features that will only be used for business. But if you want to set it up as a virtual machine, you can use VMware Workstation Pro. Like I said, they made this free. Windows or Linux. I had trouble with this one, so I really don't use it. I just use more the Windows one, but it works. All that you're missing right now is, well, you already have a domain. You have the AMP for the game servers and the media server. And you have, what else did you said you had on the chat? I'm gonna see the chat again. You said you had a NAS as well? Oh yeah, you do have a NAS and Linux as a virtual machine. You got almost everything set up, but if you want to make it more complex, you could just make a, you can isolate the network and use VLANs. If you're really that concerned about security. The only problem with VLANs is if you isolate everything, then you need to be careful on like what you want to isolate, because say that you want to do something on the other part and it can't find that network because it's isolated. You can set that up. It's just a more difficult setup. Nah, that's alright. Continue. Yep. Yep. That's been the hardest part. I do have a unified network with different VLANs. I just need to get my TrueNAS and Ubuntu's IP2 change so I can put them on different VLANs. Oh, so you already had that part set up. Huh. No, well, you don't have it set up, well, you want to change it. Then you literally almost have everything. The other thing that you could try to check is I tried changing my Ubuntu of its current IP to a different VLAN address, but issues. Oh really? Like what type of issues? Like it wouldn't change? You could try, I don't remember right now the command. I think it's the, I'm not gonna run it, but I think it's this one. DHC client, and then you gotta do release, I think. And the other one is renew, I think. I don't remember. This is supposed to release the IP and everything and flush the DNS, I think. And then just renew the IP so it grabs a new one. I think that's the command. I don't actually remember. I know the one for Windows because I use more Windows than Linux. Oh yeah, we don't want a desktop environment. I'm just gonna use this as a server. It's already installed this, that, Yep. I think it's that one. Yeah, man, no problem. Yeah, this is more easy to it. I think if I check online, uh, to release IP in Linux, look, okay, here's, that's the other one. Okay. This is to release. Yeah, I did it wrong. What did I put? Ah, I forgot the stupid R. And I put the P. Okay, so this is the one. Now, I don't want to run this, because I will lose internet and I will lose the stream. Like, I don't want to do that. So that's the one to release. What about to renew? Okay. To renew is just without the R. Okay, there we go. That's the one that we needed. So this one is release. Okay, R release, and to get a new one. Okay, that's it. So I just misplaced here the P. It was just, I just needed to take out the C and just leave it to client. So close. I was close. Again, I don't remember them. I was really close. Muscle memory for this. I need more practice on that part. Okay, sweet. So now Debian is installed. Yep. I installed a graphic interface because I did not needed that. I just wanna run this. So I wanna run the server. So I just wanna see how it is. So if I go into my Ubuntu virtual machine and do that, will it allow me to pick what IP I want? No. And because the way you're doing it, you're requesting a new IP from the DHCP server. The DHCP server is the one that distributes the IP. If you want to set it, that would be dynamic. You get a new IP dynamically. But if you want to set it static, that would be manual. Now manual, I don't know how to do manual. Like on terminal, I don't know how to do that. I know how to do it on the GUI. But to make it more easier, what I do, this could be me, is basically like I won't set it as static. Right now, in my own, on my native VLAN, I want to move it to another VLAN I have set up. Okay, in that case, you just need to change the VLAN tag, the number, because I'm guessing you already have your trunk VLAN. You don't need to touch that. You just need to put like, if you want to move it to another VLAN, you need to turn on for that VLAN if you want. Okay. Wait, you have it on static? Wait, you mean your Ubuntu on static? Wait, did I read this right? Right now I'm on my native VLAN. Man, if I have, I only seen Unify GUI once. If I have a more idea how it looks like, I'm guessing it's a Unify GUI. Like, Okay, so then you have a layer 3 switch on the Unify. So in that case, what you could do is you can make a new VLAN. I was thinking about getting it. But for your situation, since you want to move it VLAN, what you can do is basically make a new VLAN using a Dream Machine 7 router. What the hell? Dream Machine? What is that? Dream Machine 7 router? Oh, that's the name. Oh, that's the name. Oh, I didn't think. Oh, I thought that's the actual name, Dream Machine. That's actually funny. So okay, so wait a second. So the management is coming from this device. So this is your main router. Okay, but tell me this. So this would this be your main router? Do you have a switch for it? I'm guessing you're doing VLANs. I'm not sure. Is this a layer 3? Can this do? Okay, this can do network. Yes, I have my ISP bridge, and that Unify is my router and Wi-Fi. Oh, okay. So the ISP is bridge. That's good, because that means there's not gonna be two nets complication. Okay, so that means this is your main router. So from there no switch. Oh, okay. So wait, is this a layer 3? Because you have VLANs. Um, doesn't say here the specs. Anyway. Okay, so you're using it as a so your main switch is also this is also a router and using the router and Wi-Fi from it. You don't have a switch. Usually, to make it more better, I would use a switch layer 3 and make the VLAN through this. I need to actually see that. Oh, that's sweet. Then it's pretty freaking strong, because I had a router, a TP-Link router. I turned on the VPN server, but it was too slow. I made a server on a Windows, and that was faster. But in my case, I have CGNAT. Like, I can't open ports, so I cannot connect to the outside without doing I can't do port forwarding. That's due to my ISP. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Interesting. Very interesting. I like it. Looks like a little pill. Really looks like a little pill. That's actually really small. No, I imagine you can port forward, but in my case, if you have, this is actually due to your ISP. If you have CGNAT, carrier grade NAT, you can't do port forwarding. Like, you need to do use like a mesh VPN. You mentioned Telescale, so I can actually use Telescale, and I can just remotely connect to my servers from anywhere. But open ports with having See, you can't do that. Yeah, that's the bad thing. So I'm guessing you have your own public IP, because I don't have my own public IP. Yeah, that's it. Then you have a good ISP, because mine is crap. I don't like mine that much. Okay, what IP you got? 15, 15, 25. Okay, let's do SSH, because I want to use it from here. SSH root add. What's your IP? I put a random IP there, and it's still gonna work. 15, 15, 25, 174. Yes, I want to connect. Give me the password. And there we go. What? Oh. Permission denied. Please try again. Oh, wait. I know what happened. It does look like a great system. I wanna know, because you're telling me you're setting up VLANs. So it does have layer 3 about the VLAN things, but it doesn't say on the site. You can do VLANs, but there's nothing on the site here. So that's a little bit misleading for a tech guy. Like, I'm looking for technical stuff. I can't see that. $300? That's actually not bad. I like it. It's not that expensive that I thought. For that little device to do everything. Like, it does that. Check, check, check. I actually like this feature. I don't think Mr. Claus will like that, man. I'm not sure Mr. Taste will. Yes, the router can do everything the switch can do. I can see that. Oh, you can even connect a PoE on this? Okay, so it has its own power. That is very convenient. So I can connect a voice over IP phone on this if I wanted to. Or cameras. So I can literally take a switch and take on a PoE switch and connect multiple cameras. Now I think I'm understanding why it's called the Dream Machine. It has everything that it needs. I would like to see the interface. That's what I haven't seen. I need to see that interface. Interface. I want to see that interface. No freak. That doesn't have. And does it have that? A drive? Those drives in that thing? GUI. Can I see the web GUI? Like a photo? I just want to see how it looks like. Right, now is that it? Is that the interface? Is that the interface or no? Unify Management GUI. Okay, wait. Ah. Oh, that it looks pretty freaking easy. It doesn't look that complicated. Looks pretty easy. Reminds me of Fortinet. It looks a little bit like literally looks a little bit like this one, Fortinet. Literally looks a little bit. It's a little bit like this one. Little bit like that one. They're famous for ease of use and integrate. They have Max boxes now too, and they are cheap comparatively. Really? Oh, that's cool. That is a little older version, but yes. Okay. Permission denied. There we go. Now we're connected to the game server. Fetch. Are you going down the Unify rabbit hole? Oh my freaking god. Okay, never mind. Get feet. Sudo get feet. That's not gonna work. Got you going down the Unify rabbit hole? Well, you're convincing me and maybe trying to get one. Maybe it might be more different. There. But I want to install this. Any updates remaining? No, everything's clear. Man, you know which one disappointed me? The Google Wi-Fi. Oh my god, that was so crap. I can't believe I bought that thing. Installing composers, the dependency manager will have to ship everything you need code-wise. Okay, so we need this. Thank you. We need to install that. Okay. Apt install curl. I don't think you have curl. Yep, install that. Thank you. Now. Oh my god. SSH as root permission denied. Linux. Okay, where is the? There we go. That's the path that I need to go. Curl to get weather updates. Okay, okay. What? How do I put that? Okay, man. Take your time. Where the hell is it? Man, I did this last time. I just can't remember. Permanent root login. Here it is. Yes. What was the IP again? IP 125 174. Permission? I go to hell. Permit root login. Yes. Oh, I didn't do that. There we go. Restart. It always works, doesn't it? Okay. Yeah, get away. So how do we install this? I guess I really want to install it. There we go. Curl. Copy. Yeah. Ah, shoot. Sudo apt install PHP. Yes. I need so many things. Can't believe that. Okay, we just need to configure that. Curl now will work. Sense currently for using the poser. Successfully installed. Perfect. Okay, that part's done. What else do we need? Make a directory and then go to there. Okay. So we're gonna make a directory now. And we're gonna cd there. Okay, there we have a directory. And now curl tar. Do all that. Give me that file. And there it is. Now that you have downloaded the files, we need to configure the core aspect of the panel. We need to set up a user. Yes, okay, continue to see further to create a user and database for your product quickly to find more detail. Okay, so Maria DB U root P Ah, my god, I need to install this. Install MariaDB. Oh, okay, MySQL. Shoot. How MySQL? Let's just use MySQL. This is the default install. Okay, let's use MariaDB. MariaDB for Debian. Oh, MariaDB server. Will that really work? Let's double check. Ah, it is that. Okay. Okay, so we need to do that. Okay. That was pretty straightforward. MariaDB /u root /p. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. Do you have any computer issues or problem? Ask away. I'll help you any way I can. Or I'll find an alternative solution or recreate it on my system. Me, I'm just fixing my own issues. Right now I'm trying to set up a game server called Pterodactyl that caught my interest since a viewer set it called Rhino. So let's set this up. Enter password. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use your password as my password. And only run the command below if you're installing this panel for the first time. Okay. So now extension verify that they are enabled in your ini file. Okay. Composer connected to the root package. Your log file does not contain a compatible set of files. Please run Composer update. Okay. Do not run Composer as continue. Yes. I don't care. Use it as root. I just want to set this up. Okay, so the poll. Let's see. Where's all my Porsche? Aeroglass. Are you talking about a theme? Ah. Although I've been ready for prom. Okay, is Aeroglass a terminal that I could download? It says S transparency to the top bar. Okay, gotcha. And as a rookie, that's why I went to M instead of Pterodactyl. I would be lost. You can't do it. I'm just following the steps. That's what I'm doing right now. So I made this, made that, and now I guess grab your app key, open a terminal and run. Then you back up your archive file. We use encryption for all the data. You see something like this. Don't keep it on. Encrypted data. Oh, that's alright. This is a testing environment. We cannot. You can just try that somewhere else. To use PHP internal mail, sending send mail. Yeah, I don't want to use that. I just want to use this. But yeah, right now it's a little bit. It has its stuff. Failed to open stream, no such file. Okay, so now I have a lot of errors. Let's see. Just following the guide. Okay, so set permissions. Give that permission. And then automatically not on. Holy crap. I need to make a system worker. Okay. So, come on. I'll put this tiny over. Oh my god, just split it. Put it here. So now I need to make a system. Okay, a new system. Okay. Sudo nano. Nano is your text editor. We're gonna go to the directory etc system. We're gonna make a new system service with the name PeteroQ, and now open that up, and we're just gonna paste all of this. Okay. But it is a little bit confusing right now, not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be shorter, but this is actually pretty long. Now we're just gonna make that. Yep, save it to there. And now we need to enable it. Wait, what is this? I'm pretty sure it's not 100% complete. Yeah, so if you're using the Redis, we want to enable this one, which is the one that we ran. We just created. And it says it doesn't exist. What do you mean it doesn't exist? I just made it. Literally, that's the name. PTEROQ. Status. Cannot be found, but I just made it. is a directory. Okay, okay, fine. You wanna be like that? Okay, let's just go into that directory. Hey, Alfie, how's it going, man? You have returned. Oh, I'm doing alright. Just brainstorming my mind because I'm half asleep. I think it's been a long day. But I'm alright. I swear, man. If I had to put a feet wallpaper, will that please you? I don't see the service here. Nano. Feed paper. Feed paper. This dude. This dude. Nano. We want this. New file. Thank you. There, save it. Yes. Now, refresh. Where the freak is it? LSA. Okay. Ah, there it is. Now it created the service. Status. Loaded. Oh no, we have an error. What's the error? Error code exited. Oh shoot, what is it? Okay, I think that's the log. Yes, life keep us busy. Okay, I do need to check something. IP. I'm not sure if I set up the IP. Let me see. Okay, no, it's not set up. God damn it. Okay. That's next step. Web server configuration. Okay. First, remove the gotcha. No way, in my cases. No, it's Apache, right? It's right, it's Apache. Yeah, it's Apache. Rhino without, yeah. First remove, yeah, okay. So disable. To activate the new configuration, you need to run reload. Okay, gotcha. Now you should paste the contents on the file below. Replace the domain with your domain name. And place the file in sites available. Okay, that's easy. I'll just go to that site instead of making it somewhere else. cd etc apache 2 / sites available. I'm here. What is in here? Nothing. The default. Okay. Now we need to create. Now make sure you have. Okay, we need to make this file. Okay. Config nano and place the file. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm using Apache. Make sure you have libaddmod php3 package installed, or else it will not display the web server. Okay, that's something else that I need to check. Oh my god. Okay, I was not expecting that. Okay, cancel that. Now, do I have that installed? If I knew how to use this better. Installed. Okay, no, never mind. Maybe it's gonna work without that. We don't need to have that much guarantee. It's gonna work. It might work and it might not work. That's the whole point of this. Let's just open that up. And now, yeah, replace the example domain with your domain IP or IP. Yeah, okay, this part, I understand this part. Okay. So here's a space that here. Yeah, replace the server name domain. So we're gonna put the IP of, which would be this one. That's IP, which is the computer's IP, the virtual machine IP. So yeah, let's go back here. Just take that off. There. No, we don't need that. It's just the IP. Right? Main or IP address. Yeah, we just need that. Okay, now exit and save. Yeah. Save that, write it. Now, is it there? Okay, pterodactyl. Now I need to reload this. What else? Enabling the configuration. Holy freaking Christ. Rhino, I guess pain is easier, man. Doing this crap is actually more stuff. Okay, so that's one part. I need to restart the service. I think it's system CTL. Now I understand what you pay. I'm paying for this. I just don't have enough time to deal with this crap. I'm going nuts. Yeah, you know what the funny part is? I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work right off the bat. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I missed something or I messed something up. Well, man, that company better not go bankrupt. That lifetime better be a lifetime. That company better be a lifetime. But no, I'm gonna do it. Since I don't know if I do this, then this is I'm gonna have to make a tutorial about this another time, because this is just a lot of steps, and I am getting a little bit not lost, more like, okay, what was the stupid command to restart the service? Yeah, above. Yeah, I'll need to restart everything. Okay, now let's make this. Okay, this one has all three of them. Okay. Fail to parch. Enable. Huh? Oh no, it's frustrating, but it's fun. For me, it's like, okay, I just gotta keep trying this. It's just so many steps. Honestly, it's a lot of steps, I'm not gonna lie. So, wait. Okay, so one thing. This part, okay, that worked. Now, it's enable. Okay, so that part's already done. Now let's copy this and let's restart that service again. So it's restarted. I'm guessing it should supposed to be good, the status. Okay, it's active, it's running, there's no errors, so I'm happy for that one. So if I load this again, we have an error. I guess we're still not done. Wings installation. We're getting some wings. Ah, look. Windows won't run this environment. Ha, ha, ha. To run Lin, you need a Linux system capable of running Dockers. Is this optional? Okay, a virtual private server. When use a provider, blah 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 blah. The easiest way to check. Well, I'm not gonna open this to the public. I just want to test it out. So this part, I could just ignore this part. Installing wings. Once you have installed wings and required components, the next step is to create a node on your install and go to the panel, select view node, create a node, configuration, copy the code, block content, paste it into a new file called, yep, and, oh wait, this is needed? Holy shoot. Where you put the hosted delete the oh delete that? Man, don't tell me I did something wrong. But I'm gonna do so many fun things here. You mean take these off? Whoops. Nope. Cancel. Nope. Oh. Okay. Okay, wait, then I need to go back a few steps. Okay, I think that part's still not complete. Okay, then do I really need to install Docker? Dependencies, curl Docker. Okay then, it's all in a virtual machine. No, there's actually a container for a game server. It's pretty easy, and it's on Promox. Well, thank you, Alfie. I did not know that. Programming is so crazy to me. If I understand everything about this, I'd be a happier person in terms of programming. God, to run Docker as a non-privileged, consider signing up the Docker daemon and router. Yeah, we're good. We're just gonna do all the steps that we need. Thanks. We got that. New provider. Do I really need to install wings? Wings. Red Bull gives you wings. Is this the same thing? Oh my gosh, okay. When your provider uses Virtuos. Okay, what the hell is this? Virtuos OC. Cloud platform. Oh, so these are all. Okay, so these are all virtual private servers. That's what it means. Okay, now that's starting to make sense. These are all private servers. Okay, so should that not work for everything you're doing, you can also run the command below. Sudo DME system manufacturer. What? Also, if you want to make your terminal look better and also autocorrect, look into Oh My Posh. Wait, that's actually a thing? That's what Tasteful said. Oh My Posh? Auto gloss? Are you serious? That's actually a name? Oh My Posh. I did not knew that. That's awesome. What? I thought you guys were joking with me. I didn't think that was an actual name. Oh my posh. Oh my gosh. The most customizable and low render shell printer. Oh my posh. For the hell of it, I'll install it and continue on my posh Linux. Oh gosh, more guides. Let me first do this one before I go with the other one. Because I really wanna install this. If it's really that easy, then maybe wait, where is it? Installation Linux. Here we go. Oh, is that it? To set up, you can follow the instruction on the prompt to set up your shell to use On My Posh. By default, the script will install in bin or logo bin. How do I use this? Next, install a font. A font. Okay. Oh my posh. Really, is that it? Oh my posh command not found. No. Ah, damn it. I want to continue. Oh my god, I'm getting sidetracked. I want to do that as well. Okay, wait, let me. Okay, I did Docker. We enabled Docker. Did we enable Docker on boot for this? Cause that's really. I really want to use that now. Okay, so Docker status. That's working. Perfect. Okay, so we have that running. After you run the sudo update grub, huh? Is the swap needed? To enable the swap open, okay, I need to change the grub for that. Why do I need? Someone may ignore the grab, therefore. Oh my god, this thing is sidetracking me now. Okay, once you install Wings. Okay. Docker, yes. Check your kernel. Okay, wait, I need to keep a note. Kate. Oh my posh. To-do list. It's gonna be to-do list. To-do list. There we go. Okay. Your name. -r. Okay, yeah. Linux kernel is 6.12. Debian 13. To enable the swap. Oh my, is this really needed to do that? Nano /etc. Default grab. So change this, okay, so change that to swam account 1, okay. Swamp account equals 1. There, that's safe. And you want me to reboot it? Okay. Obviously the connection is gonna break. Okay, here's the virtual machine. Yeah, whenever you're... No, that's... okay, run 1. Shut off. Okay, there, it's online again. Sweet. Come on, SSH, come on. Refuse. Oh, come on. Oh, that means it's still not booting up. Okay, pin 15, 25, 174. Yes, come on, give me a reply once you boot it up. Okay, okay, here's the part. Installing Wings. This is the part that we needed, okay. Whenever you're ready. You still haven't rebooted? What do you mean this is... It's running. How can you tell me that? You have service public. What's my IP here? 10.0. Pin the host. 10. Oh my god. 10. 0. 19. Okay, you can see him. What is the issue here? New tab. Yes. Pin 15, 15, 25, 174. Oh my god, dude, really? Why? Why? I can't see you, you can't see me? Fine. Fine. It won't be that difficult? God. Okay, reboot. Yes. I didn't go for a GUI because I wanted the system to load faster. Oh man. Never mind. We have service, we can still use it. We're just gonna have to use it from here. I don't, that's, oh my god, if I had to use it from here, then I need to do this manually. That was gonna take more of an ass time. Ah, you bastard, why would you do this to me? Why are you doing this to me? I will annihilate you. Restart system, CTO, restart SSHD. Nick, Windows, you're supposed to work, you're on the host. Pin it again. We didn't have this issue. You can't see him. Okay. DH client release. Ah, I don't have it installed. Damn it. apt installed DH client. I think it's apt installed net tools. I think it's that one. Clear if config. Okay, that works. So DH client release. Okay, it's not that one. Then which one is it? Install DAC client, which is the command to install. Oh, really? DACP. Okay, never mind. apt install DACP/client. Error. Huh? Is a virtual package provided by ISSP client. You should especially select one to install. Okay then, give me that one. You're literally making this much harder than it's supposed to be, and it's making. Ah, gosh, just give me that. Yes. IPA. Thank you. Okay, DAC client release. Okay, there, it worked. Now, do we have an IP? We still have an IP. This is supposed to release the IP. That's why I need it. There, it's gone, it's dead. Enter. What? 173. Oh, now it changed to 173. Okay. Ah, my god, thank you. Yes. That's better, jeez. Oh my god. Back to this. Okay, now make a directory, curl, and give permissions. Wings. Red Bull gives you wings. Does Red Bull really give you wings? I'm not really sure. Oh my god. Okay, there, finally. Oh yes. Anybody new to the stream? I welcome you. You have any computer issues or problem? Ask away. Me, I am fixing my own issues. And I feel that I'm just going insane right now. If I do this and it works, I'm gonna be happy. Configure. After you install Win and the require to install the nodes. Wait, so you're telling me this works? Ah? It doesn't fucking work. Oh, no, wait. Damn it. Ah, the IP change. God damn it. Ah, where's the... I need to change the IP from the Apache. Because I put the 174. Oh my god. Okay. CD/etc. No, wait. Back. No, Apache. No, wait, no. Okay, Nano. I know that's not where that's not where the file is. Cancel. No. We need that file. Is there a faster way? Where is the... Okay, go back. Okay, here. Ah, okay. CD... C... Apache 2 sites available. Here it is. Nano. Okay, there. 174. Now 173. Save that and restart Apache. System CTL restart Apache. No, not App Armor. Oh god. Apache 2 service. Restart that. Okay. Now tell me the status. Okay, everything's running. Okay, now we're gonna... What am I missing? Wings gives you Red Bull. Red Bull gives you wings. 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 No. If you're using... Okay. Configure. When you have required... Huh? Good idea. I did took them off. Now let's see. Is there an error? No errors. Okay. Nothing. Okay, I think I'm not. I don't have everything still. After you created a node, when install wins and require component, the next step is to create a node. Huh? Oh, I should remove them. You further with them off. Okay. You came further. Ah, true. I didn't notice. Okay, that's good. No. That's alright. I'm pretty sure we... Okay. Okay. Let's go back here. Picking the OS. Dependencies. PHP. Check. Right? PHP version 84.83 recommended. Okay, Clyde. With the following extensions: Clyde, OpenSSL, MySQL recommended, a Redis server, curl tar git. Okay. I have that already. I have that. Base URL. Ah. Okay. I already did the Maria. No, that's gonna stay like that, your password. Okay. Okay, so I did make the database. Okay. There we go. That part's done. Um, that's done. This is done. That's done. Okay, let's see if we can do this part. Page warning required. Failed to open stream. No such file. In root artisan on line 18. So there's no file. So there is no such file. Artisan on line 18. Not a directory, so it's a file. Set on line 18. Artisan. Required directory. Okay, so this line, it's not finding, no. You get it figured out? More or less. I'm halfway, I think. Page still doesn't load. Okay, line 18 in root artisan on line 18. Oh, I know, man. You're enjoying this. failure open require root vendor auto load machine include pad. Oh, okay, Alfie. Take care, man. Thanks for joining. Didn't I not do that? Didn't I not install compose? Continuous. Yes. Okay, if it's such an issue using root, then let's just switch to the other account. Yeah, not a super user. I guess I forgot to do that part. There, I am a super user, I think. Should not find to place please create a composer JSON file. Oh jeez. Cannot open input file. This thing is crazy. Oh my god. Composer version, use it, PHP. Composer. Okay, I know this is already done. We already have a directory on that one. composer JSON. Okay, once you create the new directory from the panel and move into it, you'll need to download the panel files. This is a simple. Okay, so there, cannot open file, already exists. Okay, we did that already. First we copy over our default environment settings, install core dependency, and generate a new application encryption key. Composer could not detect the root package. See. Verifying log. Your log does not. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is messing with my brain. AI, give me a little help here if you don't mind. Yeah, I did that already. I changed that. Didn't I already install those dependencies? It's like I was wrong. Right. No, we're using Apache. Yeah, that's alright. Thank you. Oh my god, okay. What's next from here? Holy crap, it's downloading all of that? Okay, I want to see the poll. Who's winning right now? Storage running out? Really? That's the most common issue you struggle with your PC? I can't believe that. So that's good to know. Composer fun. Dun 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 dun. So that means we don't need this anymore, right? We're good, I think. Application key set correctly, okay. Because you already have configured the app encryption key, continue this process will override the key. Ah, yes, I understand the consequences. Yes. Are you sure you wish to continue? Yes. Thank you. And now let's set up this. Provide an email. I don't want to set up an email. No email at no.com. Application URL. The application URL must begin with HTTP depending. If not, if you do not include this in your email, sender will go to the wrong direction. We don't need that. No email at no.com. Time zone UTC, the hell I'll say. File system. File. Section. File. Sync. Redis. Enable UI. Yes. Send. Yes. Reddit host. What's the IP of this? Holy crap, for an open source, this thing has a lot of stuff, man. This is confusing as oh, not really confusing, it's more like 15, 25, 173. Redis password. Port. Hello, see. Leave it like that, leave it like that. That's the environment. Now we need to do this part. Database. To not use localhost as your database. Then keep using the default. 15, 15, 25. 15, 15, 25, 173. Do you like that? Panel name, panel, database username. I put my name. Unable to connect to MySQL with the provided credentials. Yes. Fifteen, 25, 173. Yes. Database. Okay, wait, the database. Yeah, it's panel. The username is pterodactyl. The password is your password. There we go. That didn't fail. Sweet. Now, oh, that's right. I don't need to do that. The email not recommended. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Connection refuse. Holy crap. Is this user an administrator? Yes. Email. No email at no.com. Username. Add the first user. I'm gonna use the same one as this one, pterodactyl. There. Add the first name. Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. The password. Connection refuse. Oh my god. Yes. Username. Pterodactyl, pterodactyl, pterodactyl. Wow. This is really hardcore. Can't believe how much configuration I need to do to get this set up. What time is it? Okay. Brutal, definitely. Man, I think it would be better if with the open source one, do the Promox one, that container. It's literally a game server. I think that one's even more easier than this one. But jeez, it's a bit brutal. Yes, I'm pretty sure I messed something up. So I made a username, Apache. Invalid user, really? You want to open Chromebed using sudo. Okay. select an editor. Nano. Give me Nano. Edit this file to introduce tasks to be run by cron. Okay. Now we're gonna paste the line below. So this is gonna be a schedule, okay? Exit and save that. We did this thing already. And I did this part already. Now the only thing, what server configuration? We're using Apache. Now when using Apache, make sure, yes, we already did that part. Now let's actually do this. Do not run any of these commands on. That's alright, we're using Debian, which you said it's supposed to work. Already exists, file exists, okay. And nothing. So if introduction, supported games, and many more. Getting started again, picking the OS. We did that. We already installed all these dependencies. We did the composer. We did this as well. Installation, the database. We did this as well. We did this part. We already set up the environment. Yeah, no email, no application, leave that like that. Cache, let's change this to Redis. 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 Enable UI, yes. Just yes. You selected the Redis driver for one or more options. Please provide valid connection below in case well this virtual network is on a host. It's on a net, but I should still be able to see it. I can't see it outside of another computer. I need to confirm that theory of mine just to be sure. Windows 10, start that up. So it was 15, 15, 25. Ah, fuck. Do this again. I know it fell because I put it incomplete and I forgot to put the port number. Yes, I know it fell. Damn it. Six three seven nine. Yes, oh my god. I did not want to screw that up. Fail service. I know it failed because the IP is incomplete. And I clicked enter by accident. Now, okay. PHP line 44. I need to change that. I never used this one before. So I'm gonna have to get help from this again. Yeah, I put it in complete. Yeah, that's the file that I need to look for. Ah, this is what we need. $15,173. Here it is. There. Connection refused. Oh gosh. This crap really is getting on my nerves. Nothing. Yeah, not even with this thing is gonna help me. AI, give me another helping hand. Oh, that's right, I didn't install Redis. So, I think that's another issue. I forgot to install Redis. Well, I can't remember everything. Redis server. There. Now, pretty sure. Key environment further poll. Fine, I'll change everything to null. No. Array. Okay. You don't need an email nor an URL. Redis. 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 Okay, provide the email address that X exported by the sound. This should be a valid email. I don't want an email. Okay. Yes, we already checked the status. That's working. The status is running. That's fine. We don't need to do that. Yes, it is somewhere else. Yeah, holy crap. Failed to open, permission denied, oh my god. God, this is horror. This is horror for me. Even with the AI helping and everything. We did this. We did that. did that as well. We already made a user. We did the permissions. Chances are you need to allow. No, we're not gonna do that. We don't need SSL certificates for this. That's something optional. Okay, already did that as well. Let's see, AI, give me some extra, an extra hand. DB connection. No, it needs to be Maria DB. And the password that I put for this is your password. Yes, I did that already. I'm using Maria DB. I already did that. I have already fixed the permission issues. Not configure. What else do you have for me? Yeah. We did that already. May, bro, what's carrier grade NAD? Port mapping and how can export IP from it? Okay, so carrier NAD basically means that you don't have your own public IP. Not having your own public IP means you cannot open ports. If you want to have your own public IP, you need to switch from CGNAT to NAT. So to do that, you need to contact your ISP and tell them that you want your own public IP, but that depending on your IP, that will cost money extra. Businesses usually always get their own public IP. Like the difference is if you wanna make some open, let's say you make a server and you open it publicly, you need to do a port forwarding. Having CGNAT, you can't do that. You need to, what people usually do is they do like a bypass with a VPN mesh, or they'll just buy a VPS, a virtual private server, and you can just reroute it to the virtual private server, whatever it is you're trying to open and mapping. It really sucks. I have CGNet. I don't have my own public IP. Like if you look up your what's my IP address, you'll see that you do have a public IP, but that's actually a shared public IP. It's not actually your IP. So that same IP, other people have it. In this case, if you want to be certain about that part, your main router needs to have the public IP that your ISP provided to you. If you don't see the public IP and you see another IP, that basically means you have CGNAT. What do you do when you sing out of tune? Oh yeah, man, no problem. That's the main purpose of the stream. Any computer issues or problem, ask away. I'll try to help you any way I can. But CGNAT to blame it more, blame your ISP. Cause it's just like they don't want people to port forward. Like that's literally the real issue. You can go to a port checker and you try to put the port number and you port forward it, even with having your own NAT, your own public IP, it's still gonna say it's open or closed. Like I don't trust port checkers. Like to me, they're fake. They don't work. You wanna open a port, you just put the IP on your router, put the port number that you wanna use, and that's it. The other reason it doesn't work, it's because you have CGNAT. That's the other thing. Like, you look up your public IP, and then you check your router, and your WAN, WAN, your WAN, if your WAN IP is different from the public IP, that means you have CGNAT. The purpose of this stream is 10 toes and 2 sucks. What the hell? What do you mean by that? Jesus. What if the person is what if the person has 11 toes? Jesus, man. Feast double time. Yeah, no, my feastable time here is that this piece of crap has too many stuff and it's still brutal and I still can't get it to work. 15. Whoops, that's the wrong one. If there's a Docker of this is easier. We already did the permission issues. We did that. Restart PHP. I don't have it installed, so I need to check that. Okay. Restart everything. But I know some friends have different IP like this, 41 to okay, and use it like proxy to change the browser. Well, yeah, you can set up. So this is something like I think it's like confusing, but when you set up a proxy, to me a proxy is like a VPN. You can set it up to a different location, and it will change your IP. So what usually people do is that they'll use a VPS. In your case, if you do have CGNS, you can just buy a virtual private server. You'll get assigned an IP. You well actually not buy it. You can just rent it, and you can change your IP, and it'll give you a public IP. But there is a program I don't remember right now that will change your IP constantly. People use that for ethical hacking. I never used it myself, but there is a program that will change it constantly, like the demonstration that you put May. Like if I look it up, I think it's uh, changing. I think it's changing public IP constantly. Program. If I'm not mistaken, it's no, that's not it. It's not like it's gonna change it. It's like a fake. I think it's ethical hacking. Okay, I think it's this thing. Okay, I remember it's this. I think it's this program, and it just changes where you are. Then you do another test, and it changes it again constantly, something like that. Yeah, that's the whole point. Like if you want something more permanent, you can just get a virtual private server, and that way. But in this case, you just be renting one. That's the difference. Because if I wanted to, like, say that I wanted to open a server to the public, and I can't do that to CGNet, or I wanna put a server out, and I'm in China, but I want that server to be on a different country ISP, so I would just change. I would put it on a proxy, and I would connect. I would rent a virtual private server from, let's say, from United States, like just run from the United States, and you connect the proxy to that one, and the server originally is from China, but you want the and you attach the proxy to it, and once people look it up, it's not gonna say China, it's gonna say United States. So proxy is like a VPN. It's just mask your IP with another IP. So basically, it's just hidden it. Like usually, some ISP don't like that. Others are okay with it because some people will actually use it for business and security. If you want to be more into ethical hacking, then you might use that to like protect yourself. Like it's basically like double security. You can turn on a VPN. Then with the VPN, you can also turn on a proxy. So the VPN says you're in London. The proxy says you're in England. Wait, let's say Europe. You're in different places. So someone tries to look you up, they might think, oh wait, he's in England. Oh no, wait, he's in another place, and nobody knows your real location because you're hidden. That's basically what a proxy is. But if you want, you can just rent out a virtual private server and get one, and you can just use it for whatever you want. Host a server, host a game, host anything that you want. I think they're around like $5 or even less. Oh, you can get started for free from Google. But it's something like that. I'm not sure if I answered your question. Now, let's see if we can fix this. 15, 15, 25, 173. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh my god. Can you give me a way to contact you so I can... Well, you can join our Discord server, and then you can send messages from there. I do have my email. If it is for business inquiries, I do have my email on my channel. This is not working. Right now, my dude, you're killing me with this. I know I said I wanted to try it. Now I'm just actually getting mad at this. Yeah, no problem. You can join our server, or check the email on the channel, and you can just send me, if it's for business inquiries, just send me an email through there. It's crazy, dude. This is confusing me as hell. I feel that these instructions are not up to date, or I feel that I'm doing something wrong. Like, yeah, I'm literally using the AI hardcore to see what the hell. Like, I connected to the database. It still says it's not connected. Because honestly, man, it's not sure what else to do. This should be your list. Yeah, I already put that. I did that. I put the password. I put the link. Not a link, more like access denied. Huh? Using password, yes. What do you mean? We gave him full permissions. Try ultra. Oh man, shut up. Ultra sensitive, ultra connecting. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna try a few more things. If I can't get this to work, then maybe tomorrow I might be doing this as well. Or might do something else. Cause this has my brain fidget. Okay, I actually want to reboot the Linux. Yeah, it's just rebooted, man. I gotta try something. Cause setting up something like this, it can't be that damn difficult. I have set up other stuff, and well, yes, it's difficult, but this just has so many like separate layers. Like, okay, we're gonna set up one thing, and then connect the database, which it's all on the same server. It's not like saying the database is on another server, so we need to change the IP so it connects to that server. But it's all on the same system, so everything should be available in the IP 15.15.25.173. We don't need to change anything else. It's all here. That's the part that's making me like, you can't be serious with this. I'm just gonna go back to the step and do everything again. I'm pretty sure maybe I missed something. I don't think I missed something. I feel that I missed something, at the same time I don't feel that I missed something. Okay, what don't you want to connect now? Windows, we don't need you for now, man. We need this thing. You change your IP back to 174. Oh my god. You know what that means? I need to change everything again. Obviously, now I need to change everything. God damn it. Everything's up to date. Fine. Okay. Step 1. Check if all these files are there. This part. Okay. There's something I want to do this a different way. Now we're gonna put this here. Help me out with this. Oh no, it crashed. That's not what I meant to do. please help. Trying to install. Okay, there goes some other stuff that is installed. That is supposed to be installed. Something else here miss. We already installed that. There shouldn't be problems with that. It's running active, ready to accept connections. Look at that. Oh, now it says, wait a minute. Connection refuse. If it refuses, God damn it. Okay guys, you know what? It's already getting late for me. I am getting sleepy. So I think I'm going to end the stream here and continue the next day. So to everybody new watching, old watching, I appreciate you guys watching the stream. I appreciate everybody just joining, talking about this, and finding some stuff that might help or not help everybody else to collaborate. This stream has been really helpful for other people from what I noticed, from all the questions everybody's been asking. So yeah, I'm going to be continuing doing this and make videos. I do have something on the way, but I haven't like fully edited, so I need to do that. So yeah, keep in mind there might be another video coming soon. But yeah guys, this has been what, 3 hours? Okay, yeah. So yeah, as always guys, thank you all for watching. To my subscriber, to the Discord member, and everybody else that's new, really appreciate that guys. It's just more motivation for me to keep doing this, and maybe I'll get monetized on this so I can do it longer. Thank you, same goes for you right now. But yeah guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. You enjoy your night or day or morning, because I know people from different time zones come from here and ask questions, so enjoy the rest of your day. And you all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one guys. Enjoy the rest of your day now. Goodbye. Thank you all for joining. Really appreciate that. See you guys.